now my first official video entry here in YouTube under my channel, which is Cat Corners. So what to expect? So this is just a quick hello video and welcoming you guys in my channel. This video will be more of what to expect and getting to know me a bit. So my name is Kat Hoko. I have a daughter. Her name is Astrid. My husband is Alec, and they are very supportive in all my hanash in life. So you'll be expecting a few clips from them so in the future. And we also have our two fur babies, Irish and Barbie. So Barbie is barbecue. My daughter named her barbecue kasi kulay sunog. So what to expect? I have 3 passion projects. Handmade by Kat, which I've used it on my projects, on my goods, so I've labeled it Handmade by Kat. It was named by my aunt's husband, so our late night talks, and she pushed me in a positive way, and thank God. Thank you, Tita Cecil, for believing in me, and she told me na, why not make your work exclusive, and labeled it. So that's where Handmade by Kat was born, so she named it. Next would be my space. So I'm taking a video here. Hindi siya soundproof. It's a small space room. Saying apologies in advance kung may maririnig kayong tricycle, maririnig niyo yung anak ko in the other room, yung dalawa kong aso na tatahol occasionally. The name Cat Snook was named by Sir Jojo, the husband of Miss Girly, the owner of Crochet Lovers in the Philippines. So I told them that I want to open my small space wherein fellow crafters can share their skills. So this is like my craft room / tutorial space for fellow crafters like me na kung gusto nila magkaroon ng intimate session, yun. Third would be now, Cat Corners. So last month, I had a collaboration with Globe Studios, wherein their host was Ann Klutz. Hi, Mama Ann. And I also met artistic and talented ladies, which is Sunshine, V, and Tessa. They found out that I learned majority of my DIY projects or my hobbies in YouTube, in Facebook, ganon, in social media platforms. And they told me na left-handed ako. So, sabi nila, parang onti lang yung mga left-handed. For example, in crocheting, specific siya kasi yung orientation ng left-handed sa right-handed is iba. Yun. So, that's where Cat Corners was born. So, why Cat Corners? Bakit ko pinangalan ng Cat Corners? Kasi, yung first 2 passion projects ko, Handmade by Kat and Cat Snook, parehas ng may pangalan ko. So, i-ano na natin, itodo na. So, I searched for a catchy name for my YouTube channel and I stumbled upon Cat Corners na idiom. So, I picked up yung 3 keywords dun sa description niya, which is cheapest, easiest, and fastest. So, here, in this channel, in Cat Corner, I will share with you how I do my DIY in my most easiest, fastest, and cheapest way that I can share with you. Yun. So, those are my 3 passion projects. So, what to expect here in my YouTube channel? I categorized it into 3 as well. 3 content. First would be my income generating project, which is crocheting. For me, it's my income generating, but for you guys, it might be different. Let's learn both together. So, you can teach me your work, and I can teach you my work, my project. So, we can learn two-way. Yun. That's my first content, so crocheting. And I'll be focusing more on amigurumi or doll making. Tips and tricks on how to put safety eyes, yung mga invisible decrease, ganon. So, I'll teach it with you. And this time, it's in the left-handed orientation. Kasi majority of video tutorials are right-handed. But I learned crocheting through YouTube, I inverted the video. Yun. So that's my first content that you can expect here. Next would be my nourishing project. So I'll be teaching you guys how to make bento. So there will be different tools that I will share with you that I have hoarded along the way. Yun, share ko sa inyo paano gamitin, saan nabibili, and how to make your food more colorful. Kasi sabi nga nila, you must eat colorful food. So yun. And I will share it with you how I do it. Then third and last one for now is my side hustle projects. These are my projects na I've been still figuring out. They are there. I'm still learning them, or I'm still planning to learn them. Like for now, my Cricut machine, this was a gift from my husband 2 years ago, and up to now, I'm still discovering how to use it, how to fully utilize it. As in, ang dami niyang pwedeng gawin. So, I need to figure it out. I'm also going to share with you how I organize my stuff. Medyo, monochromatic. I stick with white. So, saan ko sila nabibili? Yung mga good buys ko and yung mga sulok-sulok kung saan man, sa Divisoria or sa Paco, kung saan ko nabibili yung mga, like, for example, my table and all, and how I organize my stuffs there. Yun, I'll teach it with you guys. So, I guess, that's it. Looking forward, so comment down below if you have any ideas or projects that you want us both to discover, or kung meron kayong gustong i-share. And looking forward, and welcome, and ayun lang. Thank you. Please subscribe and like my video, and if you want to get notified in my future videos, please hit the bell button. Okay? Thank you! Hirap pala magsalita sa no? Hirap magsalita sa camera. So lang kausap. Cat corners, which is cat corners. And I stumbled upon